This is a Zippo that I got a very, very long time ago in 1980. All my friends pitched in together when I went away to the Navy, and they put my initials in there. I don't know if you can see that. It says DSN. Then on this side, right across here, it says the gang. I don't know if you can see that. So I've had this one a long time. And when I was in the Navy, I was on board the USS Saratoga. Unfortunately, this is not that lighter that I got at that point in time. That lighter I lost, or maybe gave it to somebody, brother or something. So I got this as a gift, as a replacement for it several years ago. So that's what this is. USS Saratoga CV-60 Zippo. Then when the Boston Red Sox won World Series in 2007, I got this one. Look at that, pretty colorful. Here's the box that it came in, and the tin. Pretty nice. Then just yesterday, as a belated Christmas present from two of my boys, I got this Death Before Dishonor Zippo. Pretty cool. And then, for my birthday, I got this. A Zippo. That's my son. This is his girlfriend. And this is her sister and brother. And they all, they got a picture, and this is them. That was awful nice, huh? A Zippo with family members on it. Yeah. Then over here it says, no, I really can't read it. What's that say? Oh, it says, "You're the man. We love you, Pops." October, well, forget that. Anyways, that's my birthday. So I got this for my birthday. It's good, the sentimental stuff. I couldn't even read it. But anyway, so this is my small little Zippo collection. As you can see in the background there, there's some other fun stuff that I like. I got these here. This a friend gave to me. It's not a Zippo. It was made in China, but hey, I like the "Don't Tread on Me." And this is probably Chinese too. Looks like a pile. But this one I like. It was a gift. So they need fluid. This one I carry around a lot. Okay. It's Don at Looking Forward, and have a nice evening out there.